Yo, what up, what up? Every penny counts here. Look, I'm back with another video on InstaGC. Okay, I'm about to do a cash out in this video. You see here my balance, I have $5.05 in there. I'm gonna cash that out. Just real quick, this is a site I've been over a couple times. I just want to continue to show you that it's still paying, it's still doing a good job with it. There are a lot of things on this site that they have for you. You see all these offer walls they have. Surveys, of course, tasks, shopping, all of these different ones. Let me just give you a breakdown of basically what I'm doing on this site. All right, so first let me click here on surveys and just show you real quick. All right, they have different ones you can choose from. Tap research, InstaGC, they have their own. That's really big. Pollfish, Theorem Reach, your surveys. Okay, now when I'm on here, Samplicious and your surveys, they're paying the highest, so I'm jumping on these two first. Okay, when I'm doing those, and sometimes it'll get to a point where I'm not qualifying for, like, I'll do surveys where I'll do like 2 surveys where, let's say, the next 2 that I try to qualify for, I don't qualify for. What I'll do is I'll jump over here to Theorem Reach, and the reason I jump over here is because they pay you disqualification points. All right, so for every one you attempt on this wall, you still get paid. Okay, so that's basically what I do. And at the same time, it's like from time to time I like to try out some of these other ones because you don't want to sleep on all the ones that they have. I mean, they have good ones here. Say So Rewards, that's another good one. I try that from time to time. So really, it just depends on you and your demographics and what you have, because for like Samplicious might work really good for me, but not for you. But then the same thing, like Say So Rewards might work really good for you, but not for me. So it really just depends on you and what you have, as far as your demographics, your age, things like that. So that's what I do as far as surveys. Okay, they also have clicks over here that you can do. Very easy way to make money. They have their own InstaGC here. I'm gonna click on that because Offer Turo and Radiant One, I mean, those are pretty much on all of the Get Paid To sites, so you can kind of look at that. But you see here, just clicking on these, just visit the site and you're getting points. Okay, those are really quick points to get. They don't pay a lot, but that's a penny for each one. You know what I'm saying? Me, every penny counts. Look, you do these first 4, that's 4 cents, just like within a minute of each other. I mean, it's not even that long to do on these sites. So, and they pop up every day. So it's not something that you have to you only get to do once. You have to do, you get to do them every day. All right. So that's for the clicks. Going back here to the home page and just kind of take your time and just trying to feed through this site and see what they have. You load more offer walls will pop up. So they have lots to do here. Again, I mentioned they have tasks, they have trials that you can do, free ones. Video section here. If you want to let your videos run in the background while you're doing these surveys, that's always a good idea. So just kind of keep those things in mind. Again, like I said, I have $5.05. I'm gonna cash that out right now. If I go over to the redeem section, I'm gonna show you that they have lots of gift cards here, lots of them. Look, I'm just scrolling down, and you can actually kind of filter over here on the left hand side, how much you want your gift cards to be, category, things like that, because they have so many of them. That's a really good thing to have. So I'm just kind of scrolling down here. Look at all these pages of offer walls they have. I mean, my bad, not offer walls, but rewards. As far as gift cards you can choose from, lots of them, y'all. I mean, they have over 8 pages. Let me see what's the last page they have. I mean, because anything you can pretty much think of, they have. Look, 13 pages are just gift cards. I mean, I probably think that's one of the most of all the sites I've been around, you know what I'm saying? So just kind of take a look. They have lots of them. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and cash out with this. Oh, let me show you some PayPal. I know you guys are really interested in PayPal, so let me show you that here. Let me see, where is it at? Let me go to other rewards, okay, to show you, because they have some things here that I'm interested in. Direct deposit, they'll put it right into your bank account. Really, really cool. You don't have to go through no middleman and things like that. E-check, same thing. There's your PayPal and a Visa gift card. Okay, the virtual Visa gift card. Now, a lot of you, I know you like PayPal, but let me show you some of PayPal here. You have to redeem $50 plus in other gift cards in order to get this. All right, so I'm about halfway there. I think I made a total of about $25 with this site, and I'm about to make $30 at that cash out. This $5. So you have to get at least $50 before you can get that. But at the same time, you can still get the cash because you can put it right into your bank account. And that's what I'm about to do now. So I'm gonna go back over here to other rewards, and I'm actually going to do the direct deposit and get it sent right to my bank account. Now, when let me see, I click on direct deposit, See here, it has my name here. You can put it at where you want it as far as your checking, your savings. I'm gonna put it in my checkings, and here I'm gonna type in my account info. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick while I do that, and I'll put in my personal information. All right, y'all, I'm back, and you see here the reward has been submitted. So my $5 is on its way. It'll be here very soon. They usually do it like if you do it before a certain time in the day, they actually put it the same way, the same day, my bad. And you see here, I got 5 cents left. I cashed out the $5. There is a fee in doing this. That's my first time actually doing that because my other payments I've gotten, I just use different gift cards, but I just wanted to try out the direct deposit feature. And you see here, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. But like I said, if you do it like, you know, before 2 o'clock, sometimes you get it that same day. So I'm not worried about, I'm not one of the people that are pressed for getting it the same day. I know a lot of people say, oh, I want my money now, which is understandable. But it's like when you have so many different sites and you cashing out on all of them, like to wait 1 or 2 days isn't that bad at all. I mean, it's a lot better than waiting 30 days. I remember when I first started doing pay-to-click sites and these get paid to sites back in 2010, a lot of them were saying 30 days, you know what I'm saying? Or 2 weeks was actually a good time frame back then. But now you don't even have to wait nearly as long. A lot of them you're getting on the same day. So just really cool. I got $5 on the way. And again, you know, when you on this site, sign up with the link in the description. I think when you sign up, they'll give you 25 cents to start out with. So that's the bonus that you get on that. And just feed through and find out what works for you. They have so many different things you can do. Again, you know, Peanut Labs off of Turo, you know, these are ones that are popular on each, you know, pay-to-click site. So whatever you find on here, try to do those same things on other sites so you can continue to make your money build across the board. All right. So I just wanted to show you that cash out video, me just cashing out $5 real quick. Not a lot, but, you know, every penny counts, every dollar counts as well. So I'm just going to continue to cash out on other sites. I got to get back to some grinding as far as doing some more surveys on this site because my balance is so low now. 5 cents in there. I really don't like the way that looks. So I got to get back up in there and get some more dollars. Try a few surveys. I might do some tasking offers as well. So that's what it's about, man. Just really putting forth the effort. All right. So sign up with that link in the description. Get that bonus of 25 cents. And always remember, every penny counts.